We first begin overseas with the major Asian Pacific markets once again, for the most part trading higher overnight, with Japan's Nikkei 225 index up 1.9%. However, China's Shanghai Composite that did fall marginally by 0.1%. European markets, they are higher across the board, with Italy leading the way, and in the United States, U.S. stock futures were pointing towards a positive open after the bell. However, the Dow Jones on the downside about 20 points. Now, first in earnings, global construction giant Caterpillar reported its earnings this morning. The company fell short of expectations on the top and bottom lines, and it also reduced its outlook. Now over to the Eurozone. New data from Eurostat revealed that the Euro area budget deficit that narrowed to 3.7% in 2012 from 4.2% just 1 year ago. And the yield on 2-year Italian government bonds that fell to an all-time low this morning, this after Italian President Giorgio Napolitano was re-elected over the weekend. And Eurozone consumer confidence data for the month of April that will be released at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Economists do expect the index to shrink to a reading of -24 this month from a previous reading of -23.5. Over to the United States, the Chicago Fed's manufacturing index for March that just came out. The index swung to a -0.23 reading from an upwardly revised +0.76 in February. Meanwhile, March existing home sales figures that's out 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Economists predict sales rose 0.4% in March from the previous month after posting a 0.8% growth in February. And according to reports, hospitalized Boston Marathon bombing suspect Shokhar Zhadmatev is awake and answering questions in writing. This due to a gunshot wound to the throat, which prevents him from speaking.